Chrome has been quietly saving your passwords for years, and most people have never actually looked at that list. If you have ever wondered what is in there, whether any of it has leaked, or how to just delete one login you do not want remembered anymore, this is everything you need in one pass. Here is the fastest way in. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, that is the menu Google calls More. Go down to Passwords and Autofill, then Google Password Manager. That is it. That is your whole password list. If you want to skip the clicking entirely, type this straight into the address bar. chrome://password-manager/passwords. Hit enter and you land on the exact same page. Once you are there, you will see every website Chrome has a saved login for, listed by site. Chrome Story shows up here more than once for the main account and once for a second login, and that is completely normal. Big lists like this are common if you have been using Chrome for a while and letting it save everything by default. Click on any entry and Chrome will not just show you the password. It asks you to prove it is really you first. Your Windows sign-in, your Mac password, or your fingerprint or face if your device supports it. That is not Chrome being difficult. That is the only thing standing between someone who picks up your unlocked laptop and every account you own. Once you pass that check, you will see the username and a hidden password field with a little eye icon next to it. Click the eye, the password reveals in plain text right there on screen. Deleting one is just as direct. Open that same entry and once you are past the device check, there is a delete option right on the page. Confirm it and Chrome forgets that login completely. It does not touch your actual account on that website. It only removes Chrome's memory of the password. So make sure you actually still know it or can reset it before you delete it here. Now for the part most people skip and genuinely should not. On the left side of the password manager, there is a tab called Checkup. Click it and Chrome runs your entire saved password list against known data breaches and also checks for passwords that are weak or reused across multiple sites. It will show you three separate counts: compromised, weak, and reused. And honestly, most long-time Chrome users get at least one hit here the first time they check. If Chrome flags a password as compromised, that means it turned up in a breach somewhere. Not necessarily one on this specific site and not necessarily recently. Treat it as urgent anyway. Go to that site, change the password, and while you are there, do not reuse a password Chrome already flagged as reused somewhere else. Reused passwords are the real danger here because one leaked site can unlock every other account using that same password. Personally, the habit that keeps this list shorter than it could be has nothing to do with the password manager itself. I do not click login links inside emails or texts ever. I search for the actual site and sign in there directly. Most compromised passwords do not start with a breach at some company. They start with someone typing their real password into a fake login page that looked close enough. Checkup catches the damage after it happens. This just cuts down how often it happens at all. There is a settings tab in the same left sidebar and it holds two things worth knowing about. First, export passwords, which downloads every saved login as a plain text file. That file is not encrypted, so if you export it to back it up, store it somewhere secure and delete it when you are done, it is genuinely as exposed as a sticky note. Second, near the bottom, delete all Google Password Manager data, which wipes the entire list at once if you ever want a clean start. One correction that catches a lot of people out. Clearing your browsing history or clearing cache and cookies does not touch your saved passwords. Those live in a completely separate part of Chrome. If you are trying to wipe your passwords for privacy reasons, the History Clear button will not do it. You have to go into the Password Manager and delete them individually, or use that Delete All Google Password Manager data option specifically. And if you open the Password Manager and a login you know you saved is not showing up, check two things before assuming Chrome lost it. First, are you signed into the same Google account you were using when you saved it, since passwords sync per account, not per computer? Second, if Chrome has multiple profiles set up on this device, that password might simply be sitting in a different profile than the one you have open right now. Click your profile picture in the top right corner and you will see every other profile on that device listed right there. Switch to each one and check its password manager separately before you conclude anything is actually missing. So to recap, 3 dots, passwords and autofill, Google Password Manager, or just type the direct address straight into the bar. Click any entry and verify it is you to view or delete it. Run Checkup regularly. It is the only part of this that actively protects you instead of just organizing things. Export only if you plan to secure that file immediately, and remember, clearing history never touches your passwords. Only the password manager itself does. This is chromestory.com, decoding everything Chrome since 2009. Subscribe because this is Chrome explained properly.